Studying can be so boring. Let Cindy read smart books. And Pinky has other hobbies. Sis, I think this is yours.
What?
That's a challenge. The only way out is to split the table. The sisters overdid it. Ouch!
Ouch!
That hurts. It's all your fault, Cindy. Pinky, I have an idea. Whatever. What is she doing? Hey, leave my desk alone. What does the furniture have to do with it? But there's no stopping Cindy now. She's clearing space. Done with all this stuff. Done. But Pinky has a better idea. We need to divide the territory. That's not fair, Pinky. You have more room. Come on, Cindy. Just a couple of inches. No way. Everything has to be fair. We'll even have to split this tree. That's better.
Okay.
And now a little tidying up. You are wasting your breath, sister. Nobody will stop me from reading in this part of the room. Except it's not very comfortable. But the problem is easy to fix. Pinky, that's yours. Books will help you out in any situation. Now we're going to raise the table a little bit. That's a great idea. Pinky will do that too. Only instead of books, she'll use makeup. It has never failed her before. See, sis? You are not the only smart one here. It's so cozy under the table, but not practical at all. This house needs walls. Pink is Pinky's favorite color. The house is now a real fortress. So this is what Pinky is up to. We'll see who's who. Cindy's house will have curtain walls. It looks so airy. Good thinking, Cindy. But I can do even better. The building materials are already in place, and Pinky's cabin is turning into a tent. Pinky is close to winning. We have to stop her. Cindy will have a tent too, but it must be handled responsibly. We measure and then we cut. The sun tent is ready. Not bad, Cindy. And the pink house is a little empty, isn't it? This rug will make up for it. And Cindy's not far behind. She has a mat too. She also has pillows. The cabin under the table should be soft. Challenge accepted, Cindy. This cabin should shine. But you can never have too much sparkle. Now you can have disco parties here. Don't relax just yet, Pinky. This book is a godsend. There are so many interesting things in it. Especially these constellations.
Wow!
What about recreating the drawing on the ceiling? The idea is amazing. Here we go. And let's get our imagination on. There will be a whole planet here. And there are many, many stars all around. Now we make the holes along the contour. And the fun part. We put the bulbs in the holes. There's a lot of work to be done, but Cindy made it. Installing the star panel on the ceiling. And done! Cindy will be counting stars instead of sheep now. But that's not all. Let's finish the space design. There will be star garlands on the wall. Wow! How beautiful it is! And this nightlight we'll put right on the floor. It's even nicer to study in a cosmic interior.
Wow!
Cindy is so creative. But Pinky's not bad either. We'll be lit up with a million lights. A little LED tape will do the trick. Glue it around the perimeter. Those lights will make it even more fun. Attach the lamp to the ceiling and we can dance. But the party will have to be postponed. Pinky has another genius idea. We should make ourselves a royal throne. Cover styrofoam blanks with a pink cloth. And then assemble the construction. But something is missing. The throne must be soft. And let's put it in the most prominent place.
Yay!
Cindy, look at this. Do you like it? Wow, Pinky. It really does look pretty cool. And Cindy's cabin is scientific chaos. Study materials take up all the space. Oh, where did that come from? We've got to get this place in order. Let's take a chalkboard. Attach a few plastic containers to it. The organizer for the stationery is ready. Let's attach it on the wall. Not a single pen will be lost now. And you can also solve equations. Very handy. Hey, Cindy! Pinky, you scared me! Sorry, sis. That was an accident. But Pinky already knows what to do next. She's got a lot of treasures, too. Where would she hide all her makeup supplies? This pink organizer will do just fine. Attach it to the wall and lay out the beauty stuff. And next to it, we put the jewelry. We just need to attach the holder to the wall. The decorations will be very cozy here. And you can't do without a mirror. Let it hang on the wall, too. Now Pinky can get down to her favorite activity, makeup. Watch and envy me, Cindy. Learning is so exhausting, and yoga helps you get your strength back. But you'll have to forget about warming up. There's a party at the disco house. This tent is made for fun. They are so noisy. Hey, can you keep it down? Get out of the way, Cindy. Hold on. I'll give you a hard time. Attention! Someone has crossed the border. Cindy, don't go over the line. Rules are rules. Cindy will have to go back to her cabin. And don't come uninvited, sis. Cindy lost today.
What?
Parties are good, but nobody canceled school. How do you overcome formulas and theorems? Only Cindy can solve these scary equations. Will you help me, buddy? And the letter is already on the collar. Go for it, baby. Hurry up. You can do it. Good job. But Cindy is afraid of mechanical puppies. Please don't bite me. Cindy, why are you yelling? The puppy has a letter. Ah, that's what this is about. That's right. There's a letter from her beloved sister. Is this your homework, Pinky?
Oh.
Help me finish it, please. All right, but this is the last time, Pinky. A couple of minutes and we're done with the math. And the super puppy delivers the solution to the address. Come here, buddy. The homework is already in place. Thanks, sis. Pinky has so many fans, and they all bring gifts. That's not much of a choice. Nothing interesting. But this guy is well worth some attention. Let him hang on the wall of honor. How nice it is to receive declarations of love. Let everyone see that Pinky is a real star. And her sister may take the toys. And it starts raining toys at Cindy's house. What cute little animals. Why not take them in? Cindy has an idol too. The love of science knows no bounds. You better look at my boyfriend. Sweet break. Cindy has some goodies stashed here. She must not let Pinky notice anything. What's that smell coming from? It's clear. It's Cindy enjoying her candy. And she's not even sharing. Is that what a sister does? Cindy, why don't you give me a treat too? No candy. It's just a globe. Oh yeah? Cindy will regret it. Pinky has a tasty stash too. Chips are so delicious. Absolutely scrumptious. Well, well. What's that crunch? Would you like to share some chips, Pinky? What chips? No chips here, sis. See? It's just a regular disco ball. So, there's only sweets for lunch today.
Yay.
Oh, my goodness. But the treats are now on Pinky's side. Give it back. Oh, no. Pinky isn't used to sharing. But you'll still have to run after the balloon. That's an unlucky stop. Right under Mom's desk. Got it. No, I got it. Hi, Mommy. What's going on, girls? Nothing, Mommy. The house under the bed is a godsend. Pinky wishes she had one. Except there's not enough money for building materials. But sister will always help out, won't she?
Oh.
Sis, I have a business proposal. How about we build a house under the bed? But Cindy doesn't have any money either. Pinky, we need a startup.
Yay!
We're opening a hotel. Let's get to work. And here come the first customers. Come on in and make yourselves at home. The mini hotel is so cozy, and there are free treats. Business is booming. The next customers are already on the doorstep. The houses under the table are so interesting. You can draw and put beautiful makeup on. Next! Oh, it's Mom. How unexpected. And she figured out this business scheme. Mom, it's not what you think. Girls, a house hotel is too much. I'm shutting down your business. It's all your fault, Cindy. No, Pinky, it's your fault. The sisters are at it again.